Hello everyone, Happy New Year to you all. Welcome back to Mama Moto. Today we're going to make the traditional Nigerian jollof rice. I hope you're going to enjoy this delicious jollof rice. Please follow me while we go through this process. We begin by blending this mixture together. The bell pepper, onion and the scotch bonnet. We can use 1 or 2 scotch bonnet. We add some water to it. Now we'll be adding the already washed rice into the pot. Okay, I've washed it, so you can use the brown rice or basmati, but the best rice to use is the brown rice. So just pour that in now. This is a side cooked meat, so I'm going to be using the water, okay, I'll filter into the rice. All I need is the liquid, so I don't need the meat. It's just the liquid. This is a turkey and regular meat. Okay, add salt, 1.5 spoons of salt, to add onions, then next we'll be adding the paste. Without this paste, there's no jollof rice. So we're using about 5 to 4 tablespoons of the paste. Okay, we're going to submerge it with water. Okay, and just mix it gently. Okay, this is all what you need, or the water you need, the ingredients you need. Just cover it till it's cooked. So once it's dry, then we can open up the lid. Now we're putting all the ingredients and covered and waiting for it to dry up and for mixture. My advice is very important to use the stainless steel pot to cook the jollof rice. The easy sticky pots are not good for jollof rice. Jollof rice is meant to be burnt. Once it's burnt, that burnt smell is the flavor of the jollof rice. So that's why we need the stainless steel to actually make jollof rice. So let's wait till it's cooked and we have a delicious taste. Now we start turning. Since it's almost dry, see. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this journey of making the delicious jollof rice with me. It was so exciting while I was making it. I don't know how you feel about it, but I did enjoy it. Anyway, let's give it a go. Give myself a final verdict. Cheese. This is fantastic. Brilliant. Alright, finally, please don't forget to join me in the future video where I make the teba, which I'm going to eat with my jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.